Hi, today in this video I am going to show you how to spend credits in Star Wars Battlefront 2. So now let's get started. Firstly, open Battlefront 2 on your device. There, Fader, click on Collection tab in the menu. In Collection section, click on your player avatar. Choose appearances or emotes or voice lines or victory poses. For this tutorial, I am going to select appearances. Choose an appearance of your choice that you want to spend credits on and click on it. Click on the Confirm button to spend your credits. The credits will be spent to buy the appearance item. We have successfully spent our Battlefront 2 credits for purchase of item. By using the same steps you can buy more items in the collection menu and spend your credits, so this is how you can use credits in Star Wars Battlefront 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button.